Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm very happy because I just wanted to show you guys the brand new 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. Okay, so when we walk around this all-wheel drive vehicle, you can see that we do have tinted windows in the back, and we also have them back here. We have a beautiful look when it comes to the new Trailblazer sign. When we step along to this side, we can see that we do have 17-inch dark aged metallic rims. And now let's go ahead and take a look inside the vehicle. So when we get inside, we have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio. We have push to talk, front collision alert, and your standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Hope you guys have a great day.